right, so I'm making this video because this guy made a post and he said, I'm quitting music today.
Lord Jesus.
I'm done making music today, I quit. Same thing. Actually, that's way more intense, huh? I wanted to share with you, so some of you may be thinking you want to quit music. Some of you may be thinking, you know, it's not right for you, or, you know, or look, if this ever really crossed your mind, I want to explain something to you. And it's very important for you to watch this if you think you want to be a music artist, okay? And that's why I'm making this. Because I want to tell you what I said to him, and I want to tell you something that may save your career, may save it is a hobby if it's for you, it may save a lot of difficulty in understanding why you're doing this and sacrificing so much for it in general, no matter where you get to with it or where you're at with it in your life with your music. Okay, so what I said to him was, I said, you should be making it for yourself, not other people. If you are making it for yourself because you really love music, you wouldn't be quitting. So if you really are quitting, that's your issue. Start making music you will listen to.
You need to stop bullshitting and be serious. You're not serious. That's why you out here playing around. He said the truth.
And he responded to me very, very positively. He's like, you know what, man, I didn't think about it like that. You're right. Look, sometimes people are making music that's not really them. You're making music to like fit in, or you're like making music, you know, maybe because it's fun, but it's also, it doesn't bring out this passion in you that you think it should. If you're making music and you're not having fun while you're doing it, you're not excited to do it, there's already something wrong.
Damn,
here's the thing is that even if I wasn't a professional music artist, if it was just something I never like pursued as a career, I would still make music because I enjoy it. I enjoy the process of it. And in order to get where you feel like you want to go, you have to have that feeling. You should be making music for yourself because you enjoy making it.
He ain't lying.
Here's the problem. Him posting that, none of his followers care. He wanted attention. That's obvious, right? Yeah. But at the same time, that post is a jab at everybody who's not listening to his music. Like, screw you, I'm quitting because you're not listening to my music. That's what I got from that. Like, that means you're making it for other people. Your music's gonna start getting really good when you start making music that you would listen to. Yes, and that's what I told him. Because how are you gonna convince yourself to keep working on music and have that type of self-belief when you're still in the beginning stages and you put out music and nobody messes with it, so then you just stop believing in yourself?
That hurt me, bro. You know why? Because
that's not how it works. You have to believe in yourself until you get to a point where other people can start believing in you, because you've already shown long enough that you do believe in yourself, and it shows in your skill set. See, he didn't try hard enough for long enough, and then he's blaming other people for not wanting to listen to his garbage music.
Bing bong.
And no offense to him, I don't even know what his music sounds like. I didn't go listen to it. I didn't need to, because that attitude lets me know that it's not good. Do you see what I'm saying? Yeah. Like, I was just trying to give him some inspiration when I saw that. I'm like, I can't believe dude said this. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, bro. Like, you know, this is why you screwed up. This is why it's not working. You wanted that response from other people. Like, you don't need that response from other people. You need that response from yourself. You should be like, man, I love this. And then you also have to push it. You have to promote it. You guys already know, like, I don't want to regurgitate this, the information that you already know that I could tell you that I have told you that other people take and put on their channel to grow themselves because they ain't really music artists and they jealous on you making little low blow shots like I just did right back at your ass.
Get on your fucking knees.
Anyway, if you love it, quitting's not an option. It's like you being like, you know, it's kind of funny. I really don't know what kind of example to use for this, but it's kind of like you being mad at a girl because she didn't come. I guess is a way to put it. It's like you suck, so you're mad at her. I don't really know how to explain it. It's tough because it's like this guy's like mad at other people for not listening, but he didn't even put the work in to make it listenable. He didn't put the work in to even get it heard. He's telling people he quit. Most of them probably didn't know he made music. It's just like, I ain't even seeing that. Like, stop quitting. He's not even really quitting on himself. He's quitting on everybody else, but they never cared that he didn't even know he started.
Damn.
Stop it. Keep it to yourself. Build your stuff up, and then when it's great, release it. That's what I did, right? I did not release music out of fear of what other people thought for a long time because I didn't want to feel like I wanted to quit on myself. So I built my skill set to a level where I knew I was fully confident, where I truly believed in it. And what I say in the beginning of this, work on it until you truly believe in yourself, and that's going to show through the music, right? That's what you do. That's what I did. When I released my first mixtape, I could have released the mixtape 2 years, 3 years sooner than that, but the timing wasn't right, right? So I worked on my skill set. I really loved what I was doing. I released it. It blew up. My first mixtape blew me up. Also because I put just as much heart into the marketing as I did into the music, okay? Yes, sir. That came out and just moved because I built that skill set up, all right? And I also built the skill of marketing. You can't just like drop music and not do anything. You're gonna feel like quitting on yourself anyway. And you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Stop that. There's a whole bunch of different directions, a whole bunch of different emotions I even have with this, because there's so many ways to take this as a jab at us, as a jab at himself, as a jab at just want to really, that looked like some you should have posted on Facebook, because that's some just like, give me your attention. My mother's foot's getting amputated. I need to tell everybody on my Facebook feed who doesn't give a shit. Give me your attention. Facebook. I hate Facebook. not really Facebook, but the news feed of Facebook and all these people. Go get a fucking job, bro. Okay, sorry. If you really care, you won't quit. That's all I need to say. All right? It don't matter how long it takes you. It can take you forever. All that matters is that you keep going and you never stop. You build your momentum and you don't stop. Like I said in another video, your momentum is like pushing a car. It's very hard to get going at first, but after you get it going, what happens? It rolls easy and you can just go with it. Okay? But what happens if you stop? It takes all your energy, resources, time, and everything to really get it to start moving again. That's why momentum is incredibly important. Faster you get that car going, faster your career moves. And if it never slows down, you make it to the finish line faster than everybody else.
Bing bong.
Period. And I've learned from this mistake many times. I've watched the mistake happen for many people. I watched Hobson talk about me in an interview. And in the interview, I asked him something like, why do you think like I didn't make it, but he did make it? And he said, he was basically like, back when my name was Novi Novak, he was like, he's like a really good artist. Like, I think he said the word hot, or he said fire inside of there. And I was like, oh, thanks, man. Appreciate that type of shit when I was watching it. But he stopped. He's like, but he didn't keep the momentum going. He's like, you can't stop. And it's funny because, I mean, I saw that interview in like 2014. I'm like, didn't really realize the significance of exactly what he was saying, but it's funny because he knew that then. And it took me years after that before I really understood that. Oh, you know what I'm saying? So that's like why he was blessed enough to have already understood. Like, you can't stop once you go. You'll get that momentum, but it's gonna stop. And that's what happened to me. I got this far, doing amazing. He was the same. He was smaller than me when he dissed me. Both catapulted. And he was still smaller than me. And then what happened? He knew what to do to get the momentum. And I stopped because I didn't know what to do next. That was the only difference, is I just didn't do the next thing. That's why I make Smart Rapper. So you never hit that damn wall. That freaking wall. What do I do next? I don't know what to do. Right? Momentum loss. That's what this is for. So you never feel that feeling and you never fail. The resources are here. I can help you through any of those things, right? That's why I have 150 masterclasses on rappershortcut.com. Anyway, I'm just saying that. I felt like random. I haven't even thought about that moment in such a long time. But that momentum is tremendous. It's so important. Like, and I wish I would have realized it sooner. And I had heard the information, like I said, didn't really grasp or understand it till I went through more struggles of momentum building and, you know? But when you know, you understand, you apply it, you plan, like I've done now, which puts me in an unstoppable position. But when you know, you plan, you apply it, you have more foresight, things won't slow you down. And you get yourself into this position where nothing can stop you but you. And you're steamrolling over anything that gets you away. I'll leave you with that, all right? You will never stop if you truly care. You will make it if you truly care, okay? I'm a prime example of that, period, okay? I'm Rob Level. Check out my new song, Guilty. Notice I'm still plugging, still pushing, still work every day, all right? Check out my new song, Guilty, all right? And keep hustling, underdog. And I'll see you at the top.
Did I get my money straight? Fill my grandma plate. Am I underpaid, deserving more breaks? Guilty. Did I break it up? Cutting case to cuffs. Am I better now or because you in the dust? Guilty. Do I got a lot of regrets? Traded for the checks. Am I super stressed thinking what's next? Guilty. Did I hit the lot, hit the mall, hit the shop, burn every single thing that I got? Guilty. Filthy.